The Galaxy S22 and S22 Plus are here. We created these smartphones for people who want to transform ordinary moments into extraordinary experiences. Galaxy S22 and S22 Plus are based on the iconic S-series design. When you look at these devices from the side, you can see a flat, elegant profile that creates an aesthetic, balanced effect. These smartphones also have a dynamic and charming color palette and are available in 4 stylish shades. Today, a lot of us express ourselves through visuals. So with the Galaxy S22 series, we set out to take that creation to a whole new level, starting with your smartphone camera. Galaxy S22 and S22 Plus bring you pro-grade camera quality across multiple lenses. A new 50-megapixel wide lens provides enhanced resolution, and its larger sensor lets in more light, so everyone will look great, day or night. There's also a new 10-megapixel tele-lens with 3 times optical zoom, which means you can travel light and still take brilliant shots. The Galaxy S22 series helps you take great photos and incredible videos, like when you're looking at a beautiful skyline. If the sun is behind you, backlighting can make it difficult to capture a great shot. But with Super HDR on your S22, you can capture once-in-a-lifetime moments in well-defined videos, even with backlighting. Look at the difference. This camera sets a new standard for smartphones. Let me show you what I mean. I love walking around New York City. There's a new adventure around every corner, and there's always so much to see. When I see something inspiring, I just have to stop and capture the moment.
Even when I'm on the move, my video is stable. That's because of a 58% wider correction angle of optical image stabilization and video digital image stabilization, which analyzes 4 times more motion data than before.
When you're ready for a night out, you always want to look your best.
The Galaxy S22 can snap amazing selfies. The front camera takes great portraits, even in low light, and the results are bright and clear. You can impress your followers, or even film a submission for an upcoming audition. AI Stereo Depth Map is now integrated into portrait mode on the Galaxy S22 series. Without AI Stereo Depth Map, smartphone cameras often can't identify and process thin objects, like a straw. But with the S22, the AI will not only allow you to focus on precisely what you care about, it can also correctly interpret what should be vivid in your image, with improved object segmentation. All of that sounds pretty amazing, right? We know that your camera is super important to your social life and your social media. We partnered with Snap to provide a more integrated camera experience with the Galaxy S22 series. Now you can take advantage of S22's smooth zoom with tele-lens and night mode, all right from the Snapchat app. And look how the camera makes the subject really stand out from the background, even for portrait video. AI autofocus, BDIS, and Super HDR enhance that experience even further, providing masterful shots from different angles and in different lighting conditions. And all of that tech is integrated with the in-app camera of your favorite social apps, so you can capture gorgeous videos straight from Instagram, Snapchat, and TikTok. Look how easily you can share files and photos with Quick Share. It's so fun looking back at all the shots captured during the day. Getting live feedback has never been so easy. With Google Duo, you can provide instant feedback while watching a video together. Night or day, snowfall or sunlight, the Galaxy S22 series will take your daily life to the next level and make it more epic than ever. The Galaxy S22 series breaks the rules of every category. It sets a new standard across the mobile industry, offering up impressive innovations at every turn and elevating everyday moments and memories into epic experiences. With a new 50-megapixel wide lens with a larger sensor and a new 10-megapixel tele lens with 3 times optical zoom, you'll get brilliant lifelike shots. This camera also pushes the boundaries of videography. Galaxy S22 will be available for $799 and S22 Plus will be available for $999. You can pre-order both starting today. You can get even more color options exclusively at Samsung.com. And the Galaxy S22 series comes with so many accessories to fit your needs. We're sure you'll find one that you'll love. We look forward to seeing all of the amazing things you do with your Galaxy S22 series.